Hello my friends, welcome back to a brand new episode on SpaceX. Today we are going to dive into the latest happening at SpaceX Starbase and Rocket Lab's advancement, from intense testing at new parts and uploading satellite simulators, insight on heat shield performance, fitting new ship components, opening launch complexes, and showcasing spacecraft tech. These developments highlight rapid progress in reusable rocket and space systems. All this points to an exciting era for space exploration, with companies pushing boundaries of future missions to Mars and beyond. This and many more to be shared on today's episode on SpaceX. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, what exactly are you waiting for? Kindly smash the like button, subscribe to this channel so that you do not miss any of our future updates. I drop 2 new videos each week. They are all bangers, and trust me, you do not want to miss any of them. Let's dive right in, shall we? Let's start today's episode with the latest gas generator test at SpaceX Launch Complex 2. It was an incredible sight to see, where multiple cycles with varying pressure saw SpaceX refining engine reliability for Starship's demanding flights. These tests build on years of rapid engine evolution, starting from early prototypes in 2019 that faced explosions, now aiming for full reusability to cut costs dramatically. Engineers monitor data closely to prevent issues like those in the past orbital attempt, ensuring smoother ascents. This work ties into broader goals like NASA's Artemis program, where Starship could land humans on the moon by 2026. Improved pressure handling might boost thrust efficiency, vital for heavier payloads. As we see these iterative improvements, it's clear that SpaceX is close in on a routine space travel, flowing seamlessly from engine tweaks to payload prep. Unloading of Starlink satellite simulators in the Star Factory. These sims mimic rare Starlink satellites for testing deployment mechanisms without risking the actual hardware. Starlink, launched in 2019, now serves over 3 million users globally, evolutionizing internet access in remote areas. Counting over 20 units in this footage, it suggests scaling up for denser constellations, potentially adding thousands more satellites. This activity follows recent FCC approvals for lower orbits, enhancing signal strength and reducing latency. Behind the scenes, it reflects supply chain advancement, sourcing components from Tesla's manufacturing expertise. As one chapter of preparation closes, another opens with grace, leading us to holiday work at Starbase, where a new stand was moved into the Mega Bay. Even on Labor Day, teams kept momentum by relocating equipment for the next generation boosters. These stands likely support assembly of upgraded versions with more engines, building on Booster 11's catch attempt. Labor Day's origin in 1894 celebrates workers, fittingly mirrored in SpaceX's non-stop innovation culture. Such tools enable faster production, aiming for thousands of Starships annually, as stated in recent plans. It underscores the shift from traditional aerospace timelines to agile, tech-driven methods, transitioning smoothly as InSight illuminates progress like stars in the night sky, re-explores Elon's note on Starship's heat shield after a recent test. The tiles, strong attached validate upgrades from earlier flights where ablative caused concern. Heat shield traces back to the Apollo era, but Starship ceramic tiles are designed for multiple re-entries without major refurbishment. Red hues from oxidized test material hint at experimenting with durable alloys for extreme temperatures over 1600 degrees Celsius. This success boosts confidence for crewed missions, aligning with SpaceX 2030 Mars goal, gliding elegantly from heat protection to structure builds, akin to assembling a cosmic puzzle. We look at fitting the second aft flap on Ship 38. Ship 38 represents version 2 iterations with stretched tanks for more fuel, enabling longer missions. Installations in the Mega Bay highlight factory expansion since 2021, now housing multiple vehicles simultaneously. This step follows IFT's data success, refining aerodynamics for precise landing. Flaps, carbon fiber construction reduces weight while maintaining strength, with a vortex shift as launches beacon like distant horizons. We celebrate Rocket Lab's opening of Launch Complex 3. This new pad at Wallops Island activate for Neutron's rocket, a medium-lift vehicle set for debut in 2025. Neutron, announced in 2021, aims at constellation deployment with reusable first stage competing with growing markets. Support from Virginia's officials underscores economic boosts, creating jobs in aerospace. The ceremony's water deluge test demonstrates readiness for hot staging. It expands from Electron's 40-plus launches since 2017, focusing on national security payloads, finally blending into broader capabilities with the ease of orbital paths. We highlight Rocket Lab's role in spacecraft components. Beyond rockets, they produce Star Tracker's far precise navigations used in missions like NASA's Capstone to the Moon. Separation system ensures clean satellite releases, vital for cluster like OneWeb. Radios enable deep space communications, drawing from heritage in Mars rovers. Solar arrays power long duration ops with efficiency gains from advanced cells. This vertical integration mirrors industry trends, reducing reliance on supply for faster turnarounds. Thank you for staying with us to the end. If you enjoyed the video, kindly smash the like button, subscribe to this channel so that you do not miss any of our future updates. I drop 2 new videos each week. They are all bangers, and trust me, you do not want to miss any of them. Watch these videos right here. They were my previous upload and it's a banger. And I will talk to all of y'all in our next episode. Thank you for staying with us.